Take your phone.
Okay.
You can turn the camera. Bye, baby.
Are you not coming inside?
I'm coming. This is another car. Don't worry. Take your other
My
car.
crown, okay.
All right.
How many crowds though? Yeah?
The director's office. They are waiting for you.
Okay, we are coming. Okay. Doctor girl. Doctor girl, don't need this number.
Come here.
I can't find Junior.
Okay, you forgive this.
Let you not come with me.
Okay, you have to give this 2 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
Just 2 minutes.
You know how to hold my phone.
Please, that's how you student.
I'm online. No, turn to the other side.
Carry this thing.
Turn it to the other side.
Okay, no time. Carry this thing.
I can't pack everything. I'm busy now.
Go into the room.
I will. Let us do this. Let's go. She's all right.